start modding for Minetest. I searched the internet for some Minetest modding tutorials, and I could not find any videos or anything, mostly for a beginner that has not ever done any programming before. I am a programmer myself, but I decided to make a tutorial for the people who just want to start modding Minetest mods. Okay, so you want to open up a web browser, and then you need to go to lua.org. Once that site opens up, you see a page like this. So once you get here, you want to click this download tab, put one down. Then at the top, click the versions tab. Scroll down to the most recent version. Then click this button right here. After that, it will go down to your download section. If you have Google Chrome, it will be right here. If you have Mozilla Firefox, it will probably be an extra step. But so you want to download that and extract it and stuff, as so. Now in Windows, and you want IDE, which is called Skype, you type into your web browser LUA for Windows. Once that comes up, you want to click the one that is from code.google.com. Should most likely be the first option. Once that opens up, you click download LUA, then the version from Google Code. Click the Google Code tab or link. Now you want to click the download.exe file. Now finally, you want to click File right here. So you want to click this file. Then it downloads. So now you want to open up the file. Go through this stuff, so you want to click yes right here. Now the installation should open up. Okay, you should see a setup window appear that looks like this. Welcome to the LUA setup wizard. Okay, so you want to click next, then accept the agreement. Then send it to the directory that you want to save or have LUA in. Most people will just send it to the C drive, so you don't really need to touch this. But what I would recommend is to add in an extra folder to where you want to put it. So like by default, it's going to put out a 5.1 folder when it's done installing, and I didn't think that was very descriptive, so I made an LUA folder and then downloaded LUA to that folder. So then it has like, so then I know exactly what's inside the folder. Hope you guys understand what I mean. I'll show you in a little bit. Okay, so click next. Now you want to have all these installed separate, especially Skype, because that's the IDE we're going to be using for the program. So click next. I'm not going to finish this because I already installed it, but then you want to continue that and you're done installing. Now once that's done installing, open up where you installed LUA to. See, this is what I meant when I had the extra folder. See, I installed it into LUA folder. Now I know what this is. Okay, so this is what you'll have if you don't add a new folder. So it will have 5.1. So you open that folder, and if you are not using the IDE or you downloaded the other link that I showed you guys, the one that's not for Windows, you open up this, and this is the same LUA console, so you can do your programming here. So now if you downloaded the LUA for Windows, open up the Skype folder right here, and then double click Skype link. And this is what should pop up. You should have something like this. Okay, but that's it for installation of LUA. Now let's install Minetest in case you don't have it already installed. So you want to go to minetest.net. There, you want to click the Downloads tab, which is right here. And then next to your most version, you can either download the zip and then have to put it in the directories yourself, or you can just use the installer.exe. Something to do today. So you can open up Setup Wizard or Installer, and you should see a window after you open it. You should see what it looks like this. So type, input your language, then next, the directory, and I just take this stuff. You don't really need minimal because it's not really useful to me, that is, but I normally install it anyway, so you can just use your preferences for that. And there's different types here. Okay. So next, do you want your start menu folder? So I do want it, but if you don't, you just always check that. Next, create desktop item. Next, install. That because I already installed. So once that finishes, now installing Minetest, and now you can start modding for Minetest using LUA programming. Thank you guys for watching, and in the next tutorial we will start modding mods for Minetest. We will start out by making a simple brick. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.